I have the Kerotin shampoo, and this is really important because it doesn't strip my hair of the other things that are in it, like the color and the other keratin straightener. This is what it looks like. You can see the richness of the keratin within the shampoo that has that sheep keratin in it. It is really luscious and thick. This makes for great lather. It works wonderful in my hair as I'm taking my shower and shampooing it. And then after I shampoo, I condition my hair. This is a Keratin Renewal Conditioner. That's the thickness of it. I will use about half this amount for my hair after the shampoo. I put it all over my hair and I leave it in for about 3 minutes. The thickness is great, so when it dilutes with the water, it'll still stick on your hair. It repairs and conditions, and it's also great for your scalp. It moisturizes it, and it's great for your hair follicles to grow your hair long. So this is the Keratin Renewal Shampoo, and this is the Keratin Renewal Conditioner. So I rinse my hair really well. I don't want any residual because I want my hair really shiny. And the conditioner is gonna seal your hair cuticle and reduce the frizz. I want sleek and shiny, long hair. Because the shampoo and conditioner makes my hair healthier, it won't break as much, therefore letting my hair get long.